Are you a Shopify store owner? Then you might know that offering COD can actually boost your skills. But it can also lead to unexpected headaches like high return rates and unprofitable orders. So today I'll show you how to hide or restrict COD based on specific shipping zones and rates. So let's get started. First, make sure that you have cash on delivery enabled in your manual payment methods. Now head on to shipping and delivery and select general. Here you can add rate for the payment method that you have chosen. Let's give cash on delivery fee here. And give a fee of 100 for cash on delivery. And click on done. Now save this. We need to move back to our app. Here we can see add COD fee with restrictions. Configure this and enable the status so that you can customize COD. Select cash on delivery fee here. And here you can add rules to block COD. Basically we have 3 rules here. That is when cart total amount is above, cart total is below, and country. Let's check one by one. So when we take cart total amount is above, we can restrict amount above this for enabling COD. Let's give a 10,000 here. Now when cart total amount is below, let's give a 500. And when we choose country, we have 2 options here. One is in the list and not in the list. Let's select not in the list so that we can enable COD for countries given in the list. So let's take India now and save this. Now let's test for each case. Let's add a product above 500 and below 10,000 and check if COD is available. You can see that COD is available for this product since it is only 961.34. Now let's test for the other cases. Let's add a product above 10,000. Here you can see that COD is disabled for this product since it is a little more than 10,000. Now let's check for a product below 500. Here you can see that COD is hidden for this product also since it is below 500. Also, here you can see that delivery is only available to India. So, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and if you find the video useful, do like the video and subscribe the channel.